everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. Today's video I'm going to participate in another challenge where several YouTubers flippers participate too. I'm very happy to participate in this challenge. Show me your workshop, hosting by Lavintage Decor. Thank you Lavintage Decor for hosting this challenge. And begin, I thought no participate on this challenge because I have not workshop like a garage or a room I can call workshop. I create my only workshop is a tiny space, 5 by 10 foot, and I thought better and I said okay, I'm going to participate on this challenge because I can inspire someone can start work flip furniture, or maybe can wants to do some furniture for themselves and have no space, and maybe I can inspire someone to work in a small space and can create beautiful things and can do a beautiful work. Today's video I'm going to work in a buffet for a friend. A friend of mine asked me if she go move, and she asked me if I can paint an old buffet, a beautiful buffet. And I says yes, and I take you guys with me along this tour. Let's go to start. Here it is my workshopping. It's 5 by 10. All my equipment, the lights, the camera. This is my guest room. Here is the spring box and the master. The bed is behind the spring box. My guest room furniture. Here is my power tools, and here is my brush, my sandpaper, the things I use the most, my broom, my wash, my drill, my hand tools, my strings for glue, my plastic, my wheel filler, my screws, my tape, my pins, my top coats, my glues, everything I have on this car. And I'm working on this side. Let's go to see how I can work on this small space, because you can see it's just a little small space. Because this is just small areas I need you to sand, I'm going to use sand block to 20 grit and sandpaper to 20 grit sandpaper. Now I'm going to start to paint. This is a very easy project, guys. Just paint the frame of the buffet, the frame of the doors and the frame of the drawers. But I'm going to show you guys how I can work on this tiny space. I'm going to clear off the drawers first and start to paint. Almost done, just need the last touch. I'm going to pour the feed wax inside. Smells so good, and put this wood inside. Now it's time to stage. I need to move from this dirty rug and be a nice staging. Here the final work. I'm so happy to share with you guys this space where I'm working. I hope I can inspire someone to work in a small space and create beautiful things like me. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you all for your support and love. And today a special thank you to Love in Touch Decor for hosting this challenge. Bye, see you next one.